It's a beautiful day. The clear sky may be accentuated by a puffy white cloud or two just to set off the deep blue color of freedom. Freedom to take advantage of the moment and take your boat out for a sea escape to cool breezes and open water, perhaps some fishing or water skiing with the family. As you approach, you see your boat in the distance, tied to the dock, and you notice it is floating a bit too freely, bumping into the protected posts, but leaving marks on the hull. As you get closer, you notice not only the scuff marks, but also some grime and barnacles eating away at the finish and representing a further effort on your part to have to clean it or pay good money to have it done, which would include, of course, dry docking it. More money, less time on the water. Throughout our modern world, most boaters have learned the lessons that ultimately teach you one big thing: get a boat lift. It is truly the next step to more complete boating freedom, with a multitude of benefits to all. Of primary importance, Golden boat lifts provide safety for you, your family, your friends, and of course, your boat. Think about getting to your dock and being able to quickly and safely climb aboard a completely stable boat that is virtually level with the dock surface, making it easy access when shipping out and coming home. If you worry about rough seas, don't. On a Golden boat lift, your boat remains safely above heaving waves and shifting tides. And it is obvious that having the boat out of the degrading water lessens the chances of erosion and avoids offering your hull to incrustation by over 1,000 species of barnacles, which live by attaching themselves almost permanently to the hard surface that your boat offers. It is no wonder that Golden boat lifts, which is approaching half a century in business, has grown to become a worldwide respected and trusted leader in the industry. Their reputation for continued scientific and ergonomic advances has kept them well ahead of their competition. Their motto has become a truism: when it is done right, it's golden. And here is what being done right means. Using scientifically tested and proven methods of construction in conjunction with the newest technology, Golden supplies boat lifts that are safe, good-looking, dependable, and easy to operate. All their lifts are built to worldwide commercial standards, which gives boaters a lift with a sleek, clean appearance that will be a welcome addition to any marina or waterfront property at a price that is surprisingly affordable. In fact, Golden boat lifts, which are built to worldwide commercial standards and are CE approved, have proven themselves so reliable they are now being used in the world of law enforcement and public services. Let's take a look at how Golden became the #1 boat lift company. Over 30 years ago, Bill Golden was what some would call a maverick in the boat lift industry. While many companies he worked with did an adequate job of construction, Bill imagined and pointed out new, more effective ways of doing things. While some of his ideas were adapted, too many went unheard or ignored due to a complacency in the industry. As many freethinkers do, Bill went off on his own to prove his ideas, and he rounded up the best talent in the industry to help him do it. The way he looked at his new company, he knew that a great team was just like a great boat lift. You find the perfect parts to do a specific job, and once all those parts are fitted and working together, you achieve greatness. As general manager, Tim Murray's job is to make sure everything they need to make great lifts is in stock and ready to go in order to ensure a smooth construction process to get the lifts to our customers as efficiently as possible. To Bill and Tim, there was no such thing as good enough. Every aspect of the designs had to be the best. Perfect welds on all components that are not adjustable by expert craftsmen like David Paqueno, who has been welding for decades and has taken it to an art form. Welding prevents loosening of parts, eliminating contact by dissimilar metals, which on competitors' lifts could cause early erosion in saltwater environments. It is a more time-consuming process of construction, but if the process is good enough for the likes of Mercedes-Benz, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and BMW, Golden believes it is the best way to continue their record of satisfying customers. And owner Bill Golden, a Florida State certified marine contractor, is proud of his company's unblemished record of 25 years using aluminum bearings with grease fittings without a single problem. That is an amazing record of success. Golden is extremely proud of the efforts to maintain the highest standards in the industry. In fact, they back each lift with a 15-year warranty to assure you years of carefree boating. It would have been easy for Bill to buy passable parts from Asia and save money, but that was not what his vision allowed. So his company historically and currently uses only superior materials to construct their lifts, including rust-proof, corrosion-resistant 6061-T6 marine-grade aluminum. And it is up to John Smolinka, machinist and vice president of Golden, to make sure that all the hardware and cables are of high-quality 300 series stainless steel. At Golden, we recognize that a boat lift is no better than its drive system. So as we do with the structural components, we strive only for the best, most reliable drive systems in the world. Our C drive system is considered the finest unit ever produced by any lift company anywhere. It is an enclosed gear system with an oil bath gear reducer, which provides the ultimate protection for smooth, long-lasting movement. Our unique design incorporates the gearbox directly to the drive shaft, powered by 1/2 to 2 horsepower motors. For further strength, the box has a rating of 10,000 inch-pounds of torque, more than doubling that of our competition, and making it over twice as fast and safer than any other lift of the same capacity. This means quicker getaways to open seas for you and your family in the safest possible manner. To summarize the distinct advantages of our C-Drive system, it was exclusively designed for boat lift applications for smoother, noise-free operation. It has a 5-year manufacturer's warranty on gears, seals, and housing. A 2-year warranty on all electrical components, which are all UL approved. The stainless steel motors assure the longest life possible and continued attractive appearance. Maintenance-free double reduction gearbox. No worries about slipping belts or broken chains. The motor is located out of the way, on the top of the beam or winders. The Golden elevator system rises far above the competition. In fact, Golden built the first aluminum elevator in 1986, and it is still in operation today. This is a testament to the fact that quality has been our goal from the beginning. Our 4, 6, and 8-post beam lifts are all engineered to withstand harsh saltwater conditions using the best marine-grade aluminum and stainless hardware. We weld for structural integrity and limit bolts to adjustable components. Golden uses grooved aluminum cable winders and 300 series stainless steel cables. Our 4 and 6 piling lifts use 2 motors, while the 8 uses 4. Capacities are from 4,500 pounds to a monstrous 250,000 pounds, with speeds that surpass all our competitors' lifts. The Golden floating dock lifts for small and medium-sized boats are convenient and environmentally sensitive. Since the lift is hidden by attractive custom decking, boaters have an unobstructed water view and unrivaled access to their craft. C-Drive units and plug-in AC power come standard with DC and solar power available. Solar power makes this unit totally self-contained. Solar power is also available on many of our other styles of boat lifts as well. This is a great option where limited power is available. Every boat lift cradle is engineered and designed to fit boat manufacturers' recommended bunk placement. To ensure a perfect fit with no unforeseen difficulties following construction, our personnel measure, check, and double-check the form fittings for each hull before the lift is used. Once a lift is complete, Eric Van Sickle, Golden's manager of shipping and purchasing, goes over every detail. So there are no errors and no delays when sending lifts all over the world. Ken Felty, Vice President and Sales Manager with 30 years of boat lift experience, works directly with Bill to make sure Golden boat lifts provide a full range of lift systems, customized for power boats, pontoon boats, jet boats, wave runners, sailboats, and motor yachts of all types and sizes. Golden's philosophy of perfection is also required of their contractors all over the world. Scott Hayes, Tech Support Manager, makes sure each one is trained to understand every detail of our products and the unique factors of every installation. factory representatives are often sent to on-site installations to ensure the Golden work ethic is followed. At Golden Boat Lifts, everyone from the owner to the management to the expert staff and technicians take immense pride in their highly respected company and are motivated to continue offering the leadership in the industry boaters have come to expect from the company, which is one of the reasons Golden offers the best warranty in the industry. 2 years bumper to bumper, 15 years on the structure for the 4, 6, and 8-post lifts. You need a boat lift. You need to make it Golden.